toxic till the end. We're gonna go over all the chords here for the song. Then I'll play each part of the song for you just so you can see where the chords are placed, and then we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. So the chords for the entire song are exactly the same. It's only these 4 chords. And the bridge. They're all going to be the same. It's going to be a C, to a D, to a G, to an E minor. And then you just repeat C, D, G, E minor. So now I'm going to play the different parts of the song for you. I'll play the first verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the bridge, just so you can see where the chords are basically placed in the song. And then I'll go over a strumming pattern you could use at the end. So the intro is just those 4 chords one time through, then you go into the first verse. So it's... So that's the first verse and the pre-chorus right there in the intro. Now we'll go into the chorus. Back then, when I was running out of your place, I said, I never want to see your face. I bet I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic till the end. Even when I said it was over, you heard. Maybe you could pull me in closer. You were plotting how to stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. Now we'll go to the bridge. I can forgive you for all of the things, for not giving me back my Tiffany rings. I'll never forgive you for one thing, my dear. You wasted my prettiest years. That's where all the chords are placed in the song. Now we'll go over a strumming pattern that you could use. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. For the bridge, you can keep that same pattern if you want to, or you could just do 2 strums and then catch the string. So I can forgive you for all of... Whoops, wrong chord. I can forgive you for all of the things, for not giving me back my Tiffany rings. Down, 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 down. So you can keep the same pattern, or you could do that to change it up. That's where the chords are placed, and that is the pattern for the song, and I'll see you guys in another one.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha O'e, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course... And now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the course. You can impress yourself.